Welcome to official SLTV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listening to this audio. The people in our salon today, na Saturday, March 8, 2025, with me, una humble servant, Piero Samura, the political commentator. And the people in our salon today, I get two messages for you again. My first message now today, me people, as we all see Fatima Bio expose the SLPP misdirection, people will come together, undermine and thief the June 24, 2023 election government. Now the Kono protest we are in, the workers of Kwedu Mining Company be organized a sit-at-home protest. Fatima Bio as a first lady go Kono. He tell the workers them for join and for make them go organize a peaceful protest. The essence of this protest, my people, and don't expose and Agoka reveal all the secrets then to una today, my people. My second message na today, my people, and na for ask Salon people and the SLPP grassroots, the SLPP supporters and sympathizers, the pauper loyalists, them for make them sit down and ask themselves how a dog cabinet go able deliver in the interest of them the electorate them. How a dog cabinet go able deliver in the interest of the people. How the dog cabinet will able deliver development to then the people that will vote for the SLPP. That will be my second message today. But before I go on with this message, my people, yesterday I share my audios. People call me across the world, say they not get access for download that audio. The audio not they download. I want to say sorry to una all way. Una not able listening to me yesterday message. Yesterday I appreciate una. I want for tender my apology to una again. Not to me fault, not to me mistake, but as una all know, na phone that we they use. Sometimes the phone then can get problems. Sometimes mechanical or technical faults then can come inside. So I want for tell them apology to una all una no able get access or for download the audio yesterday for una able share. I dey pray that I will fix that problem. Now the phone now they give me problem as that problem they not to yesterday no more start. If you don't take people they call me, they also reference the same problem. Yeah, say they can listen to me audio sometimes. Stay when they go tell Mindul. The audio they stop past them forward and small before you continue for play. Yesterday now automatically the phone just fucked up during the recording. Una not be able to download the audio and the area back where I've been did the network back been they give me problem. So I want to say I'm sorry for that. By Allah grace, we they come together as good people and don't already begin contact me. I know say them go can me aid for me we fix this problem.
We listen
me
well,
well. Like them other people we go can begin team up na media say me phone don't pull begin bigger to people the likes of the Mohammed Moriba and other the Bobo Salon one yeah, then no me no go do that. Yeah, as good people and don't can me PV yesterday don't ask me, themselves say then go put into prayer. They not promise me, but then go try for see how we all go put idea together for fix this problem for make we able change the phone. Yeah, I not go tell nobody say I not get phone. Of course I get phone, but when I know say we the overuse phone 24-hour idea online and Africa the weather especially this time the weather warm, the weather too hot, and then phone then they not able be as some of them pressure than they. So I want for once again say I'm sorry for that. For make we patient and continue for download me audios, listen and continue for share them as we go fix that problem very soon. Again, I want to say happy International Women's Day to all we mama and we sister, we auntie across the globe. Today March 8, 2025. Today na International Women's Day. I want to send this humble International Women's Day to my lovely wife, my lovely daughter Amnata is Samura. I want to send this happy International Women's Day to my family. Women's of substance, women's across the world, vulnerable women where they go through challenges today, women's where they go through trial. We know say today we country not longer, and not only we country, when even go to the other African country, they see say women's then now they don't take the lead. Most of the men, 80% of the men then today, especially in our own country, job no day, they not get any power for provide the daily needs then at the home. Now the women's then they go out, they strike, now then they go out in and out for say them provide for the various homes there. So we want for say happy International Women's Day to una we mama them, we sister, we auntie them, we lovely wives there across the whole world. Not only we salute women's them, but women's across the whole globe. We want for say happy International Women's Day to una. As today na una yon day, we dey pray that happiness and joy una go get her in. As today na una yon day una go observe am. Today na una yon day we dey pray that this day we una dey observe today make it bring happiness na una life, make it bring success na una life. As the International Women's Day this year don't come inside the holy month of Ramadan. The goodness and blessing and next all in goodness so all they look for inside this holy month of Ramadan. We dey pray for una all get her inside this holy month of Ramadan. Happy International Women's Day to we mama there. To honor the women's day na salon and the women's day across the whole world. Una enjoy una day and una celebrate una day peacefully. My people in a salon, as a new book they out very soon where they come out what we call Legacy of Leadership. Legacy of Leadership na a group of people we come together, young people across the whole world, then call themselves Council of Progressive Sierra Leone. Council of Progressive Sierra Leone and then come together for produce this book here for CC and complement the effort of His Excellency the former President Dr. Ernest Blessing anointed by Nkrumah within gallant, vibrant soldiers that we been stand by and when are the ministers then for CC achieve a dream, I succeed for distribute development now we country. So then therefore can enlighten and explain everything we Ernest Nkrumah in government be able succeeding and where them be achieved, we may you to as citizens they enjoy in that country today. So we want for
this
talk
one
to
a big
everybody where they
problem.
try for it about this book for make una get small exercise and make una patient say very soon this book go day out and when it day out we go locate una the district then the people and the regions then what una go reach and the people who una go contact for make una able get access to this book because so many people they call we. So many people they come at me number, so many people they ask me how they go get this book. I want make una exercise small patience. The book go day out very soon. Legacy of Leadership. Now a book where they come and explain to me to citizens then about a government that we can care about me and you too, and the government we not can care about me and you too, like waiting Julius Maada Bio don't fail we from 2018 to this 2025 for the me people there. The people in a salon today, I get two messages for now. My first message now today, as we all see the protest will happen na Kono, the secret behind this protest for let Fatima Bio go take the lead for Tima before the Kwedu only workers then they go protest for their salaries increment, then they go protest for various facilities, then they go protest, Fatima Bio in secret and this protest don't expose me people. Like we all remember in 2018 when the election been done, Julius Maada Bio bin go Kono with this same woman when Fatima Bio as a Gambian way he claim Kono say Kono na a home. But we all know say Fatima Bio, in mama and papa, then come out na Gambia na diamond then go dig na Kono. Usa then end up for go get Fatima Bio. But yes, still Fatima Bio don't claim Kono district as a hometown. We accept that. But make we not claim district then as we hometown just because we want for will the people. Make we not claim a district then as we hometowns then just because we want to get the benefit of that district. Make we not claim a district then saying that we hometown just because during electioneering time we want the people and forecast them vote for we. This now the exact method and ideology way Fatima Bio use pan the Kono people. Fatima Bio, we all can remember in 2019 where in a man Julius Maada Bio go Kono. We all go see the Kamiando road who Maada Bio go inside machine now. Instead go launch that roads, not all the Minister of Works, not all the Minister of Infrastructural Development, now Julius Maada Bio as the president. Now instead go claim inside machine, the Kono people can testify. He go launch that road, they say. In 1 year time, that road day it go to 80% for make them finish. 30 the one bucket kulta then not to win at that road day. Fatima Bio bin also go claim Peima, say Peima na in your town. Na the village down the way them born. Fatima Bio, we all know say na John Kelly Street them born. But Fatima Bio claim Peima village, say Peima village na in your home village, that one, another village they them born, and so then go spread colta inside Kweduton, take go inside Peimaton. As I they talk to una me people, not even for spread colta from Kweduton for go Peima, but even a one bucket of shovel for say then take am for Greater that road or for Brosa, one day happen. Fatima Bioti man then been go and promise Kono people in so many things, then say yes, then go come deliver to Kono people. At the end of the day, they even go give Kono people in 24-hour light, then say na the light Africa. Me people will be come and expose them thing, then they say na light and the light of una. I come and tell Salon people and say the Kwedu only mining company 9 day pangui give Kwedu City light. So if Kwedu City they get light 24-hour, now that company they 9 day pangi the Kwedu City light. The SLPP them being all denied that, then go against me and a lie now the Light Africa project. Now the government don't come with us. Okay, una low pay attention. I believe say during that protest day, Fatima Bio self go agree with that me past audio. He go tell una the Kono people and say then get dog the inside a man in cabinet. Some of them dogs then don't even go tell the Kwedu only for let them switch off the light. Me people and the cigarettes not don't come on ado for make una know say we know the build story, we know the build propaganda against them people. Everything what we they say na factual and na true story. You will not watch that video. I want make it go watch her. Fatima Biosef come and confirm to me say the dog the way then they inside a man in cabinet one pan the dog then don't even tell Kwedu holding them for make them switch that light they pan Kono people and so that when the Kono people then go get the blackout now, then go blame the government or blaming the Fatima Biosef and then don't make them know they get the 24-hour light again. When I see the mind game where them people and yeah they pan play, Kwedu Fatima Bio here a man again. Then been go Kono during the campaign, then pin billboard them all over the Kwedu city, then say Kono matter to them. As he enter Kwedu town, they see some of them billboard. Kono matter to them, the university project, today na Bogodo, nothing no happen. Kono matter to them, the pipe-borne water where them promise the Kono people, and today the Kono people and not see that for happen. Kono matter to them, then tell the Kono people and say they're not supposed to buy one bag rice 180 to 185,000. Today Kono people and they buy one bag rice above 1 million. Kono matter to them, they say the APC be make Kono people and they buy 1 liter fuel 6,000. When then take governance, then go put under. Today Kono people and they buy 1 liter fuel 29,000 to 30,000. Kono matter to them all the promises the way the SLPP Fatima Bio with him man where he claims in a Kono Ibon. Fatima Bio with him man where he would deliver nothing to the Kono people. Today Fatima Bio they play mind game by the people of Kono district. For let Fatima Bio go join a protest, we are in a company with them get dispute with them workers there. Fatima Bio be don assault them workers then say Ingo make sure say Kwedu only go pay them less than 10 million lions me people. When the new money 10 lions, 10,000 lions me people. Fatima Bio say Ingo make sure say the least worker na Kwedu only, then go pay and 10 million lions where the new money na 10,000 lions. Me people, Fatima Bio go join this protest. He go join this protest, he says so many things. And one of the secret for let Fatima Bio go join this protest, me people, as I talk to una, the SLPP Kono District Chairman, when Mr. Safia Moyo. This Mr. Safia Moyo, I don't know if I pronounce his name well, but as please say, as I don't try for pronouncing name, the people of Kono go understand and other SLPP people go understand. This Fatima Bio Moyo, Safia Moyo, Fatima Bio with him man when I'm mother Bio, now they go impose this pan the SLPP Kono people. This man not ever sit down Kono. It turn like some of the APC chairmen that will get inside APC today. They not sit down at the district there. They sit down inside Freetown. Then they take praises. Then they take blame put on other people. Then they blackmail other people. But they not get mind go sit down at the district there because the district people not like them. They no one for see there. This also they affect the APC as they talk to una. Una go na other district that una go investigate. This una chairman if na ya is sidon. Some of them sit on Freetown. They take, then they shower praises. They present themselves to the national executive as if they are the best. Now then can go and sit down and talk bad about other people and present other people and bad to the executive, lie pan other people and to the executive. We are in then young people and not even one for see them at the district. People are not they call their names them, but una self know them. This na independent affect the SLPP back na kono. Safia Moyo, not Sidon Kono. Na Freetown is Sidon spend the entire life. But just because in na the pauper guys, na then na the pauper bootlickers, Fatima Bio and Mother Bio take Safia Moyo from Freetown go impose upon the Kono people for make it be the Kono SLPP district chairman. Now this don't bring serious division at the SLPP na Kono. It don't create big problems for the SLPP na Kono because out of 9 constituency chairmen, them may people. Out of the 9 constituency chairmen, then now only 2 constituency chairmen then away day for Madabio and SLPP for less Safia Moyo go in second term. And Fatima Bio don't tell the Kono people and say by thunder by fire, he says Safia Moyo go in second term. Now the 7 constituency chairmen then they all self-dom organize themselves on the one side say over the dead body for make a total stranger way call himself saying na Kono picking sit down at the district, then go take an at the city car impose and then say na somebody way na the grassroots policy na Kono district na go be the next chairman for the 2028 election na Kono district. This don't bring serious problem. Now waiting Fatima Bio do with him man, they write a document, they send an PPRC. This document where they send a PPRC. Now for make the SLPP 9 constituency chairmen, then all go and sign that document. They say yes. They all don't agree for let Safia Moyo go in second term. So then go do election for the world level constituency and the other district positions then, but for the position of Safia Moyo, no other person for contest against her, info go unopposed. The other constituency chairmen then na Kono district, they all don't stand against that. Out of 9 constituency, now only 2 na then go sign. The 7 then no sign. Una the 7 then we no sign. I want for tell una thank you, I want for congratulate una. It better una don't begin know una right. It better una don't begin stand for una right. And na they encourage una for make una continue for stand for una right. Democracy is very, very much important. That same dictatorship where Madabio Uti put on na the SLPP, now the same dictatorship then take rule the country we make them fail for delivering the interest of them people. We make today they know able to deliver this development in the country. So I want to tell the SLPP executive na Kono plenty thank you for una stand for una right. Una eradicate Safia Moyo na the SLPP na Kono. Una pull Fatima Bio and pa una party na Kono district. Who still una sabi Fatima Bio na 2018 for make he can claim say na Kono Ibon. Fatima Bio don't become celebrity, top celebrity across the world. Waiting Fatima Bio be don't ever do for Kono people. Fatima Bio don't dey London with this same Marabio. You don't dey London over so many years. Fatima Bio tell we in 2019 say him been don't become rich before he dey be first lady. Fatima Bio been don't become rich. He been don't become money woman. He been don't become gentry according to what him be say because before he dey become first lady. Let we ask Kono people and ask Fatima Bio what he been don't do for we Kono people before they become first lady. And now we ask Fatima Bio, without the house way he build na Kono way they bluff today in as a first lady go build na district. Now we ask ourselves as Kono people whose benefit that Fatima Bio that house get for get away. Now for in your personal use, now for in your privacy use. Even if he make that house day as hotel or guest house tomorrow, no Kono picking go for go lead on that house day figgy. Where you go lead on in a pay, they pay. Totally and entirely, no Kono picking no they come any partner the world where you go lead on na Fatima Bio that host they free. If Fatima Bio been team up with him man, then finish that university project, that for them become a benefit to the Kono people. If Fatima Bio for them team up with him man, then bring pipe-borne water for Kwelutam people. Today Kono people and for them benefit from that water, according to waiting them may promise una.
If Fatima Biofo don't allow, they make that Kabiando road as na Imman self go claim na the machine, then launch that project there. That road there, if it don't become the highest beneficiary to Kono district, because that road na the shortest road for go inside Guinea. Half of the country for don't use that road today. Kono for don't become a hub. Kono for don't become a center of business area. And Kono for don't become the Dubai of Salou. Say all the business then they pass. Automatically Kono for don't develop rapidly. But everything where they tell the Kono people in a mind game. Now Fatima Bio don't go lead this protest just for play this mind game and the Kono people. He want for put everything. Now the ministers they aid way in and they know they see one side. But we go endorse that because for make we see them people here come in 2018, they know they allow the citizens therefore undertake the democratic right. They automatically, so we say, na so dog then na they flop na the cabinet by waiting the first lady Fatima Bio don't pronounce to the people of Salon. And you don't confirm it to the people of Salon say the reason why Madabio in government fail for deliver development, fail for unite the country, fail for bring people in together, intimidate and eskuruma, kill northeastern and northwestern, western area, rural and urban. Today, cocaine business, drugs business, now they all over the place. Lawlessness inside the government. Now only you na pauper as waiting Fatima Biobin say, na you na true Sierra Leoneans. That show how dogs then na them flop inside the cabinet. But now we ask yourself a question. How somebody go appoint a dog inside in cabinet if himself not a dog? So which means say the dog papa na in enroll the dog picking them for make the help and for destroy and loot the country. Nobody no go tell me say I commit cyber crime. Now the first lady na the in talker and we na endorse with the endorser. So if police want for invite anybody, make them invite the first lady. This now waiting the first lady tell we say na dog them flop inside a man in cabinet. And who that na the person we get that then dog then another cabinet. Now then you big papa we na the dog then papa. Because I no believe say any human being wey in 5 senses correct go put dog there inside in cabinet. Now only somebody wey na dog, now you go put dog inside in your cabinet again. So how now go expect them people here for work in the interest of the people? So me Kono brothers and sisters there. Now Fatima Bio don't begin tell una the Kwedu only workers then say, not to everything una demand for una go get, but una salary then go increase am by 30%. Wait, na him be don't tell una say it go make sure say they increase una salary to 50%. Una see the mind game wey Fatima Bio they play with una. Fatima Bio be don't tell una say him go make sure say they increase una salary to 50%. Now na in the pan tell una again say una salary, then go try for see how they go improve am to 30%. The canteen una go eat, in go make sure say let them improve that canteen. Right now, na the negotiation this way they can go on. So waiting the workers of Kwedo only gain. Waiting them go gain. Waiting the people and go gain. They not gain nothing. For go improve canteen, who side the workers then they eat. Now that one day then they take at home. Now that one they get for go na the account then at the end of the month. Everything where Fatima Bio they do so na mind game. Because everything where in a man as president promise the Kono people, they know he will deliver one at the end of the day, they say Kono matter to them. Now we don't see it don't come out now for can't tell Kono people and say now the dog the way they inside a man in cabinet now they no one for see Kono in better one. Automatically if they try for take una mind una the Kono people and they try for take with all who minds them for let it push some other people and for let's say Kono not to the district, let them go down the your district for go arrange them problem. For goodness sake, when they don't appoint somebody as Minister of Energy, not for in district he be Minister of Energy. Now for the whole country he be Minister of Energy. When they make somebody Chief Minister, David Sengewe na the Chief Minister today, not to Chief Minister for a home way he come out. Now Chief Minister for the whole country. If problem they Kono, David Senge get the right and responsibility for go Kono for go fix that problem there. So for let Fatima Bio can tell Kono people and we the Kono people and the whole country say them dog the way they inside a man in cabinet, now then they undermine the system, now then they undermine the process. So make them go now then district and go fix them problems. Let them come on Kono na in district. Fatima Bio like seriously? Like seriously, no wonder we a man in government fail. No wonder we Julius Marabio in government no able deliver. No wonder we Julius Marabio in government can divide the country. No wonder we Julius Marabio in government no get value for democracy. No wonder we Julius Marabio in government no get respect for humanity. No wonder for let you as a first lady, they team up, they discriminate and divide the man in government. They go tell we say a whole cabinet minister say make he not put mouth pan corner business, make he go fix in problem in village. Now for in village they appoint as minister. Now for in district they appoint as minister. Now for in region you man appoint as minister. The answer is no. Now for the whole country in appointer. When they don't appoint somebody minister, either it be deputy number 1 now or number 2 back, they all now for the whole country, not for one region or one set of people, now for the whole country, right? And without that, Fatima, be you not to government, not to you they tell government waiting for do, not to you they tell the people are waiting government they do for them. You not to government, you now only a wife for the president. If you let the corner people, when he lead on behind you, man, when Julius Marabio, tell and say, Pa, the promise they will give me people and Akonola, we go and fulfill them. Bell, you man say, what about the Kamiando road? Now we time down done so already, we know able to make that road. What about the Peima road? What tell the corner people and say, I'm a village down there. And I tell them, say, we go spread Kolta from the Kwedu city, inside Peima, we know able to do it. Now then, think that you for tell the man when on a 2 day na bed. Tell him man, say, what about the university? We're not able to do that yet. What about the pipe-borne water? We promise the corner people, we're not able to do it. Tell you man, then think them where we not dinner bed. Now for advocate to you man for let people and benefit. Not to forget team up in a public, they challenge cabinet ministers. So make her correct it today, say Fatima Bio. Them ministers, they're not for one region or one set of district or village. Now for the whole country. Fatima David Moyna Sengena, a chief minister. When they become a chief minister now for the whole country, any side dispute they get right for Godi. Either na Jalunka or Kranko or Fula, Mende, Kono, Timini, Sabro, any guy within that district, David Moyna Sengena get right for Godi as a chief minister. Right? Not to you for tell David Shenge say, make it go fixing problem in district. Whose problem within a district we can the public demand where we all not aware. Whose problem within a David Shenge in village, we don't come today to the public where we only pay attention to like the Kwedo only. They can't today they pull inch with that young bulldog where they only bag by the name of Sylvia Ole and Cab Liding. When they come and they pull inch pan David Shenge on other people and because here and they know they see one side. They cannot SL people when think it and when I continue for stand for una rights. When I eradicate the power inside una party. Una team up strong for make una take over una party. This na the plan will be done they see from the Samura Kamara cartel boys and just there. This na the same method where them been they use as Madabio and Samura Kamara go meet up secretly then get meeting. This na waiting then tie say make Samura Kamara take over the SLP, the APC so that 2028 go hand over the power for her. Now this agreement Madabio and Dr. Samura go tie where the mission don't backfire and don't expire pandentity. Over with dead body. If we go sit down total strangers, then can take over our party. Right? The people in Asalom, today my second message na a question to una the SLPP power supporters. Una all been sit down. Una they call President Bio, Mother Honey Bio, una add Honey by a name. Una upgrade this man, give every names. Free education, father of democracy, feed salon, blah, 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 this and that. Today, una the SLPP grassroots, una the supporters and sympathizers of the pauper, usa una day. Usa una day. For the past years, we don't tell una say Julius Madabio in government not able deliver in the interest of una the electorate there. Julius Madabio in government not able to deliver in the interest of una the SLPP people, not even talk less of the people of Ceylon. Una all been they deny, and APC there, na propaganda, then they undermine the main government. Today, in woman, when are the first lady, when are then two they sleep na one bed, don't can confirm to we all say, Madabio in government na so dog dem dey inside in cabinet. So wetin una expect for let dog dem deliver to una as development? Wetin una the SLPP people dem go expect for make dog dem deliver to una? Wetin una think say dog dem go able do for una as political party members or supporter or sympathizers? Go ask for one bag rice na bond today. How much the layman dey buy one bag rice na bond today? Go Moyamba, Pujon, Kailaon, Kenema, Kono, Bo. How much today una dey pay for transport, electricity bill? How much una dey pay today compared to yesterday? How much una dey buy one bag rice today? How much na the tariff of communication na dem part of the district there? Where dem can always say they na dem struggle. At the end, when dem can na power, they no get nothing for deliver to una me people. So how na the SLPP people go expect a dog cabinet for deliver in the interest of una? How una the SLPP people go expect people wey na dog they rule the people of Silo for deliver in the interest of the people? No wonder we killing they all over the place because na dog then they rule we, they no get sense. They're not able to sit down and put idea together for benefit them people. Everything today na that pauperism because na social dog then they inside the cabinet. So una the SLPP grassroots una pay attention. If una no rise up for eradicate the pauper inside una SLPP, the SLPP is gone. The SLPP is finished and the SLPP is over. Right? People in Asalom, as today, now the 8th day inside the holy month of Ramadan, we want to continue for encourage the people across the world. Una we God give the upper hands for make we all come together for support with people. For make everybody put in hand together. Una way God give the chance. Una way God give the hand in power. Una way God don't bless today. Do ya? Una support the poor people. Wallahi, if una know the benefit, the goodness way they inside this holy month of Ramadan, una no go sit down for make we dey force una, for long go they talk to una, for long go they come beg to una, for make una go do good to the people in the country. Una go beg una. Some of una today, if una girlfriend they ask una who una like, now with speed, una they give them check for go withdraw money na una account there for go bills. For go Dubai, una check inside this SLPP government today. 90% of them, their family members, they know they salary again. Then girlfriend, their family members, then girlfriend, including their girlfriend, and they know they salary again. Then they build mansion for woman there. Build hotel, build filling stations for woman there. But when it come to God business, when they talk to them, they not even want for listening. The money man themselves now the country today. When you go tell them, say, so mineral, this, so, I want to support me, then go spend millions of leons, billions of leons for go mine that mineral. But if you go tell that person, say, na mosque I want go billionaire, or na church I want go billionaire, wallahi, na tonton, you go tonton it, and you go shame by yourself not for go to right again. When would they even talk about them godly business? Some of them, they take we for be idle people. We know they do like waiting with the likes of the Muhammad Moriba than they do. When then they come back to una in the name of the people, in the name of Islam, as soon as I put them in pocket, go put them by your own personal use. You go only can announce the figure to the public at the end of the day. The money no they reflect to the purpose. You know they reflect on the ground. So dear, we they encourage una with people and we come together and put hands together for help with people. The Ramadan, how it go? Now so the situation they warm. How they go with the Ramadan? Now so the situation they hard. Day and night will they keep the fast. Now so the water they drop now we system there, and now so the body they drill, and now so we they feel the pinch of the Ramadan. Now so we they feel the hardness of the Ramadan. Now so they feel the pain of the Ramadan, especially this year Ramadan where it come inside March. So the army people you will God give chance. Support people. You know they do it for that people. You know they do it for the people neither for say, and they just do them because I want for please them. Now for your next holiday they do them. Now for your grave you they do them. Now for the goodness way they inside the Jannatul Firdaus, now you they do them for. So dear, you will God don't bless. Whatever little way things say you will support people. Una support the people in the country. For more information, you will want for reach me. My number na +232 74 46 0045 +232 74 46 0045. Una listen and share this message far and wide. Una listen and share this message for the benefit of others.